Hi, that is a Sweetcare advent calendar and I'm going to unbox this with one hand. I'm not allowed to use my thumb. The MRI, in addition to dislocating my thumb, the MRI also revealed, let me just find a pair of scissors. The MRI also revealed that I've torn a ligament, which means I'm not allowed to use my thumb, which makes unboxing with one hand very difficult. But I don't want to wait. I just want to show you because, at the time of filming this calendar is indeed available for purchase. So I don't want to delay any longer so that, if you like what you see, you do get a chance of buying it. Now, I do have a price breakdown video separately, but for those who can't be asked to watch it, this calendar costs just £87.64 for me. Exchange rate, it comes from Portugal, and I found a code online which I will write in the description box below. Let me put this away before I accidentally stab myself on camera and everything. Right, that's the advent calendar, and there seem to be 3 separate boxes. Let's grab the first. Oh dear, I put those scissors away and everything is taped up. Never mind. So hopefully this will be easy on my thumb and not necessitate another visit to my doctor, who already scolded me for overusing it. Oh, all right. So there are no separate doors or drawers or anything. Everything comes within these individually wrapped tissue papers, which is all right. I can reuse this for gift wrapping and things. So the first product, which doesn't seem to be full-sized. Yes, it is not full-sized. It is the Embryolus Late Creme Concentrate, and you get 15 mils of that. Full size is 30 mils. Ever since my skin changed post-vaccination and, went bonkers, I actually like products with petrolatum, mineral oil, and so on. So this does work for me, and I will be keeping it in my travel bag. So the next thing feels quite heavy. My thumb hurts. Oh dear. That is the Clarins Tonic Bath and Shower Concentrate, and you get a fairly generous 100 mils of it. Full size is apparently 200 mils. What is it? It is a stimulating body wash which combines field mint, organic geranium, and soapwort extract. Shower gel. Right, we'll be using it, definitely. So that actually has a sticker that says 12 on it. The others don't seem to have stickers, or maybe the stickers fell off. I don't know. Oh, right, there's a sticker there at the end that says 11. Weird. Anyway, we're not doing this in order of days, people. And anyway, I'm not going to, with this thumb, I can't be asked to go and find out which sticker is where. Really awkward way of unboxing, but you can't do anything about it. Right, this is full-sized. Fresiderm Active Sunscreen Face Wear, quite a nice big bottle there, and that is full sized at 50 mils, retailing at £27.40. I won't be doing a price breakdown. I'm just telling you the prices and sizes very quickly. So this is SPF 50 plus, and it is supposed to be an innovative black fluid. We'll be trying this out at the earliest. Karen Herzog Vita A Combi 1 Day and Night Face Cream is next. You only get 25 mils, full size is 60 mils, also going into my travel bag. Oh dear, that's day number 8, and I need a pair of scissors. This is one of those situations where I wouldn't mind if things actually came out of the wrapping, because it would save me a lot of trouble. Right, that is the Institute Esthetherm Intensive Vitamin C Double Concentrate. 10 mils is all that you get. Full size is 2 into 10 mils. It's not 20 mils, it's 2 of these boxes. So retail size is 2 of these boxes. This is all that, 1 box is all that you get here. I don't know what they mean by double concentrate. I can't see anything particularly double concentrate-y about this. Although I could be wrong, but I look forward to finding out. Day number 22 seems to be long told Sally. Right, that is that eye pencil. Everybody's including an eye pencil and a black mascara. You keep forgetting, you take your hands for granted, and all the time you're using both hands. And, after the MRI revealed a ligament tear here, the X-ray already showed that the thumb was out. My doctor said, don't use this hand for anything for at least 3 weeks. And, I'm supposed to go back for a review. And, you keep using your hand for everything. Anyway, everybody is sending out a black eye pencil and a black mascara this year. And this is the Sensilis Infinite Eyes Automatic Eye Pencil, full-sized, retailing at £15.54. So I'm always running out of eye pencils, so I will be using this. Now that's actually day 1. Rather heavy bottle of... this is the Aderma Biology Micellar Water. You get, again, a generous 100 mils of it. Full size is 200 mils. So this is actually half size. Not bad. Not tiny little minis, 100 mils. And I love micellar water as my first rinse. We'll be using that. Day 7 looks like a bit of a compact. It is probably that Fillerina. It is the Fillerina you get. I'm going to come close to the camera once I finish so that you... no, I will come close to the camera now. Because, I've got to put these away without hurting my thumb. So you get those 2 little vials there and a syringe applicator. No, you don't have to inject them. This is just for application, surface application. It is not invasive application. Now, 6 mils plus 6 mils is what you get. 14 mils is full-sized of each, 14 mils plus 14 mils is full size. Right, day 16 is a tube of something. This is the Kudali Veno Therapist Hand and Nail Repairing Cream. 30 mils is what you get, which does have a retail value, but full size is 75 mils, so I'm not going to count it. Now, day 5 seems like a gift voucher. The paper thin. But I think it is those under eye patches from Apivita. They are the eye masks from Apivita. Actually, they don't seem to be under eye patches. They seem to be some kind of gel mask. I won't know until I open them, and I'm not going to open them now. Yeah, apply a rich layer on clean skin. Yeah, it's a layer, so it's not under eye patches, people. Now, apparently these duos are full size, and somebody who actually went to Greece told me that they're sold like that, like this in these little display boxes, and then you just grab 1 or 5 or however many as you like and just pay. So these are the Ginkgo biloba eye masks, and a set of 2 sachets is actually full size, retailing at £3.10. Don't look at me, I don't have the price tags, I just tell you what they are. The next product, number 19, also seems to be a bit of a tube. I need a pair of scissors for this. Alright, I'm not unboxing another thing until my hand recovers fully, because this has been, very awkward, painful and slow. I know you're seeing the edited version. Right, this is the Kerastase Magic Night Serum. You get 30 mils of it. How much is full sized? Full size is 90 mils. It's a leave-in hair serum, people. At least there's no Beta here. We have number 4 next. If I didn't already know that there are no lipsticks in this advent calendar, I would have guessed that the packaging was a lipstick. No, it is actually the La Brain's Skin Perfecting Facial Peeling Mask. This is actually the tiniest mini that I have seen in this advent calendar. Hang on, let me just try and find the price and the size. Yeah, you get 10 mils, full size is 50 mils. Not going to count it. Day 21 is some kind of box. LA Girl Lip Scrub, full-sized, retailing at £8.42. Right, I'm not going to try and open that with one hand. I've already torn half the box. So let me just put that away. Now you have day number 3, which again, very lipstick-like. But I know there are no lipsticks in this advent calendar. Where are those scissors? Right, that's actually a bottle of the Isidin SkinCeuticals Essential Cleansing Oil. Nice. That you only get 27 mils. 200 mils is full size. If I like this, I might consider. No, this isn't biface or anything. It's a proper cleansing oil. I will try this today to remove this makeup. 23 seems like it is that mini mascara from Clinique. Everybody, as I said, is sending out a mini black mascara and a black eyeliner, eye pencil in their advent calendars this year. And Sweetcare from Portugal are no exception. Yeah, Clinique black mascara, high impact mascara to be precise. You only get the deluxe travel sample mini small size, not full size, half size. Day 10, LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. For me, this is the usual suspect in this advent calendar, the one that you find in other advent calendars as well, the one that you found for a long, long time. So, although it is a good moisturizer, I am sick of seeing this everywhere. I'll probably put it in a little hamper and give to my mother. Right, now we have the last box left. All else is done. Day 2 seems to be a full-sized tube of something. It is the Bioderma Sensibio Micellar Foaming Gel. I love the Bioderma Micellar Water, very famous product. This is the gel cleanser version of it, and it is full-sized, retailing at £8.22. Very nice, will be used as second cleanser after the Isidin today. 17. I know this is weird. Seems to be a small tube of something. Where did I put those scissors? Right, this is the Olaplex number 4. It is the shampoo. I haven't used the Olaplex number 4. I have the Olaplex number 3. I have the number 6 and the number 7. But I don't have number 4, the shampoo. Let me try that out and see how that works. If all my hair falls out, it means, if you never see me again on YouTube, it means all my hair has fallen out. Day 13 is a very tiny little tube of something. Because, 13, you can't get lucky with 13, can you? Oh, that's a really small tube of the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Just 14 grams you get, apparently. It says 14. It doesn't feel like 14. It feels more like 5. Yes, it is 14 grams indeed. Full size is 453 grams. Now, I can't tell if this is 6 or 9. Doesn't matter. Oh, that was a right pain to open, to unwrap. You get the Hydra Boost Serum, the Hydrans Boost Serum. 10 mils, you get full size is 30 mils, which is, 1/3 the size. This is 1/3 of the full size. So I haven't tried serums from Aven. I've tried their moisturizers and things. This would be interesting. I will be trying it out. 18. There are no lipsticks, but there are lots of products that are wrapped like lipsticks in this advent calendar. Another very tiny sample. This is the Chlorane Anti-Hair Loss Serum. That is 10 mils, full size is 100 mils. So just the 3 hair care products in this advent calendar, which is alright because everybody else has been sending out 6 and 7 and so on. Number 24. I'm beginning to think that drawers are actually a better idea for when my hand is injured like this. This is that highlighter product. Yes, this is the Liquid Stardust from Pure Bio. Resplendent Liquid Stardust, full size, retailing at £11.98. I'd love to open the box and show you a lot of... yeah, it actually opened easily without needing my other hand. Yeah, that's the full size. Let me try and... Best not. No, hang on. Ooh, that's actually quite subtle. Very subtle, very nice. And then you have day 9 or day 6. It doesn't matter. What matters the most is what is inside. Yeah, the Filorga Optim Ice, full size, retailing at £43.14. I have used this product before and really, really liked it. That's day 14. And let me just see if there's anything else left. Yeah, that's it. So you know what? I'm going to take a count and see if they did send all the 24 items because it's been all over the place. Yes, this is the Eurosim Radiance Body Oil. You only get 10 mils of it, another rather tiny sample. 100 mils is full size. So there have been about 3 or so smaller size products in this advent calendar, but I'll take 3 small sizes out of 24 over, 10 small sizes out of 24. So I think there were some full sizes as well, and the value did cross 87 when I did my price breakdown, well over 100 actually. When I did my price breakdown video, you can check out the price breakdown there. At the time of filming, this one is still available. I am happy that I bought this. I like this advent calendar. Very different pool of brands and products, barring that LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. But it's better than all the Beta and BS and scrunchies and mirrors and things. No chat, no supplements, most important, no supplements, no fake tan, very nice. And even that highlighter, is a lot subtler and less carrier than I thought, Good. I think most products in here will be used. The elements I am giving away because I have too many of those. Everything else I think should be used. I really like this. I'm very happy about it. I'm just not happy about the timing because, you know, I wasn't able to unbox, you know, very wholeheartedly and very, you know, throw myself into it. But that's okay. I will be spending a good bit of time after this video is filmed, just looking at everything and taking it all in. I'm happy about it. Very, as I said, you know, pharmaceutical centric, cosmeceutical centric kind of calendar with different brands. I think a lot of these brands are from places around the world, actually. Eurosim, for instance, is made in Spain. Interesting. I haven't actually heard of this brand or, you know, tried anything from them. See, that is the whole point of an advent calendar or a beauty box. You don't want to get beta all over the place, you know, once you've tried it. If you like it, buy the full size. Otherwise, you know, where's the next product, next exciting thing that I want to try? Trying new things is the whole point of a beauty box or advent calendar or subscription or, you know, any kind of mystery thing. Where are the new and exciting things in other advent calendars? This one very different pool of products and brands. I will be looking at what they do next year. Let's hope they don't raise the price and don't include the usual suspects. So really happy with the Sweetcare advent calendar. It didn't cost a bomb, just 87 quid, and I was able to use the code, which is in the description box. What do you think of this advent calendar? Do you like it? Do you think, you know, very different pool of products and brands, very nice, lots and lots of skincare and bath and body? Or do you think, you know, there should have been more makeup? Do let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. Speak to you soon.